do not know why I didn't buy a new mattress sooner. Hey, what's up everybody? Recently, I decided to upgrade from my spring mattress to a more premium kind of mattress. Now, there are a lot of brands of mattresses out there, but ultimately I decided to go with a Casper mattress. And I just want to talk about the buying process, getting it home, unboxing it, just to let you know how that entire process went for me. Let's get into it. There were actually two of Casper's mattresses that I was actually interested in looking at. One was the Dream, and then the other one was the Dream Max. I wasn't really sure which one was going to be the best for me based off of my specific sleeping habits, which I sleep directly on my back, just like real rigor mortis style. You know, it's kind of giving Morticia Addams vibes, and wanted to make sure that I chose the right mattress for me because I know that I would have this for a very long time. I did some research and I found out that they actually have a physical store somewhat close to me, actually in Nashville, Tennessee. So I decided to go ahead and drive down to Nashville so I can check the physical store out. And I was very happy when I found out that it was actually in the Bougie Mall in Nashville. So they've got like, I think they've got Christian Dior. I think I saw a Balenciaga sign or something like that.
Ooh, this is nice!
It gave opulent. It gave very opulent vibes. I got down to Casper's physical store. I was able to ask the representatives several different questions.
What size is this, by the way? Is this a queen or is it a full?
And I was able to actually test out the different mattresses. They actually have a very nice setup in the store.
Alright, so Dream. This one is soft.
I will say our mattresses have edge support, so the edge of the mattress is an accurate representation of how supportive the mattress is.
Oh, so I should get in the middle?
Edge is going to be more firm to hold the shape of the mattress really well.
Okay, that does make sense. Well, let me get all the way in the middle then. I was testing out the beds wrong. So, with the Dream mattress, it's very comfortable. Honestly, this bed is good. This bed is really good. But the Dream Max is softer. And I think I want something that's a lot softer than what I have now. This is just so much better. Yeah, Dream Max. Because our body likes expensive things, unfortunately.
Ultimately, I did decide to go with the Dream Max. It felt as if it was a little more plush than just the regular Dream. And they just so happened to be having a sale on the Dream Max specifically when I went down there, to where you can get 30% off of the mattress. So I was like, definitely give me the better option of the two. I placed an order online with a representative. I ordered the mattress, and then I also ordered a waterproof mattress protector, and I just wanted them shipped to my house. I didn't want to have to fuss with trying to figure out how I was going to get it into my car, or trying to find a U-Haul, or trying to find a friend with a truck. I just thought it would be easier if I just had it shipped from Nashville to my home, and it was going to be simple, right? The mattress protector actually came first. It actually shipped within 5 days. It was very quick. But after 1 week of waiting for the mattress, I started checking my tracking number, and it said that the order was processed, but it wouldn't give me an exact ETA on when to expect the mattress. After week 2, same thing. And then once I got to week 3, that's when I was like, something's gotta give. You know, I've already made this purchase and I can't figure out when I'm gonna get it. My email's not telling me exactly where my mattress is. So I was just kind of like, I wasn't annoyed, but I was like, let me tell you what the problem is. Amazon is the problem. I'm so used to getting things in 2 days or 3 days that I don't think anything should take more than a week to get shipped in the United States. So Amazon ruined me. That's how I feel. I decided to call Casper and I asked them if there was a way for me to actually cancel my order and then just drive down to Nashville, pick up a mattress in the store while still keeping that 30% discount. That was huge for me. The representatives were actually very helpful. They were very nice and understanding of the situation, and they said that's absolutely fine. We could process that 100%. So I canceled the order for the mystery package wherever it was floating around at, and then me and my brother drove back down to Nashville, and I picked up a mattress actually in the store, and I picked up actually a standard king. Me and my brother struggled so hard trying to get this box in the back of my car. Eventually, we ended up cutting open the box at the very top, and I was able to pull the entire mattress or the entire box into my car, thankfully.
So, a Casper mattress does fit in a back seat. Just so you know.
Now, I did say that my last mattress was a spring mattress. I actually had that mattress for 10 years. It served its purpose. It was actually a double-sided pillow top, and the pillow tops were completely flat at this point. The springs on the inside were completely worn out. The box spring that I had the mattress on was worn out, and even the metal slats or the metal foundation that I had it laying on. I had a very bad setup.
Listen to this. I've never noticed this until today, right?
And I do not know why I didn't buy a new mattress sooner. It blows my mind. But that mattress had to go. When it comes to unboxing this mattress, you might want a little bit of help. The thing that I was looking forward to the most is watching the mattress actually expand. But once I got everything kind of set up and I got the mattress exactly where I wanted to, I cut it open and I just watched this very thin package just kind of like expand in my eyes to around like this size. It was great. Loved it so much. My very first impressions after I got it fully unpackaged was this mattress is so soft. It's so plush. I absolutely love it. It does have zone support. So right here in the middle of the mattress, it is a little bit more firm than the top and the bottom of the mattress. And that is another reason why I was leaning towards this brand specifically, because the zone support actually helps to support your lower back for people like me who are back sleepers. Because if a mattress is too soft, then you can start to develop back pains from sinking down into that mattress. So definitely love the fact that it does have that zone support. And honestly, it's not really that noticeable. The only time that I do notice it is if I'm walking around on the bed. I do see my feet kind of sinking a little bit lower at the top and the bottom of the mattress. Another thing that I noticed is this mattress is kind of deep, I guess you could say. So if you're going to be putting this on a foundation, that is something to kind of take into consideration. And that's exactly why I don't have my mattress on a foundation yet. I don't want my bed being too high off of the ground like my last mattress was. I want something a little lower so I can feel a little bit more grounded. And I haven't found a bed frame that actually accommodates everything that I'm wanting. So take that into consideration. Also, when it comes down to buying your sheets, make sure you read the description on the sheets from these different manufacturers. You may need deep pocketed sheets, so just keep that in mind. Also, I did notice that this mattress does have a slight chemical smell. What I decided to do was I let the mattress just sit for a few hours. I didn't put the mattress protector on it. I didn't put my sheets on it. I just let it sit because I wanted that smell to kind of dissipate a little bit. But I also wanted to give the mattress some time to kind of expand to its full height, which is recommended anyways. After that, I did put my mattress protector on top. I don't know. I don't know. Interesting. I was not originally liking the mattress protector. It may have been in my head, but I feel as if the mattress protector was taken away for some of the plushness of the mattress that I was originally able to feel. But after I kind of broke in my mattress protector, honestly, I forgot that I even had a mattress protector on this bed until I went to go and wash my sheets. So I think I just had to get used to having that protector on there, but now I don't feel it at all, so that is great. Now, combining this new mattress with my new premium sheets, I now have that luxurious feel that I've been wanting to have in my bedroom. You know how like when you go to a hotel and the bed is nice and soft, the sheets are nice and clean, and have that nice heavy feel to it? That's the vibe that I always want to have in my room. I feel like we spend a lot of time in our beds, So you should be able to have the most optimum experience out of your bedding as possible. Crawling into my bed is now the most enjoyable experience to me. It's nice and cozy and immersive. I don't have any type of aches and pains when I'm laying around in bed, and I can sleep all the way through the night. It's amazing. I'm getting the best sleep of my life. Whenever I do wake up, I feel energized, I feel refreshed, and just ready to go. I literally I don't hop out of bed. I'm not gonna lie, because I don't like waking up. But getting out of bed is a little bit easier than when I had my last mattress, because my last mattress, I don't feel like I was sleeping as deep as I do now. So I was super groggy anytime I woke up, but now I feel well rested no matter how many hours of sleep I actually get. Overall, I'm loving this mattress so much. It's the perfect addition to my bedroom, and it's exactly what I was needing. So hopefully this video was informative for someone who is interested in getting a mattress. Absolutely love mine. Go ahead and bite the bullet. You won't regret it, 100%. But let me know if you guys have any questions about the mattress. Leave them down below. I'll be more than happy to get to those for you. Other than that, like, subscribe, and I'll just be talking to y'all later. Bye.